Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine by the grace of Almighty. Welcome back to another new video. Actually, I make videos on English learning, but today in this video, I'm not gonna share any English tips, but I want to talk about a very interesting topic, and that is a Japanese method to relax in 5 minutes. And it is very interesting and of course effective, and it works. So I hope after watching this video, you really like this video a lot. So let's get started. So in our everyday, we are stressed about many things. About our work, study, exams, relationship, family, other people's opinion. So every day we are stressed. A certain level of stress is okay and essential. A certain level of stress is really essential, okay? But excess stress is not good for us. So we should make our mind relaxed, we should calm, okay? And today in this video, I'm going to share a Japanese method to relax in 5 minutes. So let's get started. Please watch this video until the end. Relax and watch this video. So in our hand, we have 5 fingers. And each finger represents a different feeling or attitude. It's the thumb. This finger is called index finger or pointer, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, or you can say it pinky. Okay, so each finger represents a different feeling or attitude. Like this finger is thumb, and it represents anxiety and worry. This finger is pointer finger or index finger. It represents fear. Middle finger represents anger. Ring finger represents sadness, and little finger or pinky represents self-confidence, self-esteem. Okay, I repeat: anxiety or worry, fear, anger, sadness, self-esteem or self-confidence. And the method is, first of all, you have to hold your thumb with your another hand for 1 to 2 minutes. For 1 to 2 minutes. Then you have to hold your pointer finger for 1 to 2 minutes. Middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Okay. For 1 to 2 minutes. So in this video, I'm not holding my fingers 1 to 2 minutes because if I do that, the video will be longer. But when you do, please hold your each finger for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, like this way. Right? Okay. This way. Then what you have to do? Then you have to press your middle of the palm with another thumb, okay, like this way, for 1 minute. For 1 minute. First of all, you have to hold each fingers for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you have to press the middle of your palm for 1 minute. That's it. And it is really effective method. It's not my method. It's a Japanese method to relax in 5 minutes. Okay. It takes 5 to 10 minutes because 1 to 2 minutes you have to hold each finger. So please practice this method every day to relax your mind. It's really effective method and it works. And there are some other things you can do to relax. Like you can do exercise, you can listen to soft music, you can meet friends, and you can do some other activities what you like to do. So by doing those things, you can also relax your mind. But today in this video, I have shared a Japanese method to relax in 5 minutes. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, if you like this method, this Japanese method, please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.